iPhone and Android. Yeah.
Look out this.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, he steady dragging that motherfucker. Damn, boy. I don't know if I'd ride. Boy. Oh shit. That just gotta be scary for the people that's standing back there. It is scary. It's scary. Oh, I should have gave him a sticker. I don't want to interrupt though. Hey, Tiffany Davis. Alrighty, we got Tiffany Davis in here. Look out, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's going down like James Brown. Look, here go my channel, y'all. Hey, he got them all. Oh, okay, boom. Okay. You gonna subscribe? Okay. Okay, they finna subscribe right now. We're gonna be right here to make sure. That way we know they ain't lying. They suscríbete a mi canal. Dale me gusta. Dile tu tío. Yeah. Make sure you, okay, dile tu tío. Yeah. And notifications es todo. Yeah, see your notifications off. It need es todo. Yeah, like here's es todo. Okay, she got me. I'm be es todo, y'all. Already. Okay, oh, he got me, y'all. Es todo. Ooh, I'm on. Yeah, all you gotta do now is dile tu tío and abuelito. Yeah, dile tu abuelito. It's going down, y'all. It's going down. Like Fernandez, what's his name? Victor. Jamie McCallum just came from TikTok. Nas just came from TikTok. Look out, Nas. Jim Hood, I'm posted your on Street Talk site. Let them start following you too. Already, Jim Hood. See, we got Jim Hood in the building. He looking out for Lookout. He like, yeah, I'm gonna post you in a group, bro. I'm trying to turn you up. That's what I'm talking about, Jim Hood. Turn me up, Jim. If you got the power, like, turn me up, Jim. See what you got. Jim Hood say he's gonna do something, y'all. Lemony Cricket. Okay, what's up with it, Lemony? Okay, here we come. I'ma take I'll take the other side. Yeah, I'll take the Camaro. You on my channel?
Yeah, I just
okay, well here you need the card.
I already got you.
Okay, he already got me. I'm limited cards. I got 3 left. I'm stingy this day.
I seen you race.
Oh, you seen it? Is it fast?
Yeah.
Okay. What's up with it, Carrie Hickman? Damn, we would have lost. We would have lost, man.
Started off bad.
Damn. Equipment sponsor. Okay, we got Randy Cali from TikTok. Look out, Randy Cali. Who's that? You can't beat the hook. Damn. Pablo. Make your bets. Let me see. Big race in Alabama till Sunday. Okay, we got Jeremiah Garcia here from TikTok, y'all. We got 2 times Dre. We got Dre in the building. Scotty Walker, Lucas Curd, hey. Well, I gotta catch up on my comments, I see. Okay, Dre from TikTok. Tiffany Davis. I wonder if you that one Tiffany Davis I used to know, boy. I knew her I knew a bad ass Tiffany Davis. Oh, she was fun. Left lane for the win, y'all. Let me see. Let me see some. Okay, Sika man. Border Force, watch out. Let me see. Vicente Fernandez. I don't know why I can't never remember his name. They gon'. Okay. Oh shit. This ought to be a good one. They're drastic. We got E Drastic, just came from TikTok, y'all.
Hey, they said the boy gonna lose.
The boy gonna lose, okay. I'm curious. Okay. Lenard Parker. Mustang for the win. You won on that too?
Hey up! Got popped in the ass. Oh, I got popped. Boom! Come on. Come on. Do it for me one time. Boom! Boom! Oh, yeah. On your ass. You already.
Oh, okay. Oh, pain ain't shit.
That don't hurt my own.
Yeah, that don't hurt him. Oh, okay.
Boom!